guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So pretty much I'm pretty chill right now. We are yeah, so I'm out here with my beautiful girlfriend, of course. Yeah, so we're at the Sora restaurant. It's a sushi restaurant. For those of you who've been following like the vlogs like deeply, like not watching just one video here, one video there, but like all the vlogs. Remember when we did the whole sushi night thing and we learned how to make sushi? We still haven't done that. So right now we're getting sushi from the professionals. Judah is like really into sushi. I'm getting into sushi more. Like I like sushi. So
he likes anything I put him on, guys.
Yeah, you know. Hopefully in the future, maybe her and I, when we start making it like that, we can probably go to Japan. You guys will see those vlogs. People who are actually like following us, like, you know, we're gonna definitely get to that point. But yeah, we're pretty much just here chilling. I'm gonna have some wine, have a few sushi rolls, and yeah, tomorrow I'm going on a solo journey to Montego Bay because I really want to work on some content. Like after this video, I'm actually gonna be putting in a little bit more thought out content, really. It's kind of tough to be quite honest because like that whole YouTube like demonetizing and like it's pretty much like doing these videos just for y'all, for the love of it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But Judah isn't gonna be coming on this trip, so for those of you like,
unfortunately, guys,
for those of you gonna be like, where's Judah? Stop. Let me tell you from now, like Judah's been traveling a lot more than I have.
Stop.
Yeah, when she goes places, she doesn't take me at all. So.
Listen, guys, you're supposed to come with me last week. Was it last weekend?
I'm gonna cut the video. I'm joking. I didn't cut it. It's playing.
Bye.
That's how you know when someone is telling a lie, because when you actually like stop it, you say them out of the lie, they take it. But anyway,
please.
But yeah, I'm actually going to Montego Bay to like really work on some content. But separate and apart from that, I'm going for my grandmother because like she's not feeling so well. She isn't feeling so well right now, so.
He could have been in Mobile last weekend with me, but he had work. Okay.
That's far from it, guys. Like.
That's kind of like a family trip, but you were still welcome. You know that.
Yeah, but you didn't say that, and I don't like barging in. But anyway, the main reason why I didn't go on that trip with Judah, it would have been fun to be honest, but I didn't go on that trip because I work for an American company. Like I don't know the holidays, so like the holidays came and like I wasn't really thinking like, oh shit, it's actually an Easter holiday. So that always happens to me every year. But let me show you guys the view really quick. You know, enough of this talking. Of course, the first view, always, and you can pretty much see like the city lights. You know, I'm a stand up for this. Oh, before I think, yeah, you see this head hot, right now my head is kind of like hot, but like, what the fuck, man? Because it's kind of like, it's kind of soft. You know what I'm saying? This is a whole long story how this ended up coming out like this, but like a lot of girls.
It was worse before, okay? It never come out like this. It was worse before, and you had to like wash to get it like that.
Yeah, but like the girls now are saying like it's really nice. I think it's popping. I kind of like it. I know some of you are not gonna like it, but whatever. I want to show you guys the view really quickly of this place and stuff. One of my subscribers mentioned to me the other day. He was saying, you know, to take more scenery, and I always think about that. I think about taking sceneries and showing you guys places more often than not, and that's kind of why I really hope in the future. Like before I was saying I wanted to you know, make money from ads to like buy the drone. Boy, with this whole YouTube knock, it's kind of knocking me. So we're gonna figure a way out how we're gonna do it, but like the drone would be really good for like scenery shots, you know, because like from a camera perspective, I mean I can get some shots for y'all, but it's not gonna be like
A1,
like the drone to see like what I'm actually seeing, or you know, a bird's eye view. But anyway, I'm gonna hold my hand really high up in the air. Yeah, so that's pretty much some parts of the view here. It's pretty small up top in the middle. Inside is also small, but I think that's what I think any good restaurant should be. It should be like really small. It shouldn't be like you're producing like mass products, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we might as well be here. Chill for a little bit, get some food down. Like I almost didn't even take my camera. Like I was contemplating, should I vlog or should I not? But of course, you know, I know some of you, well, most of you who watch the vlogs appreciate it, so of course. The funny part is I left it all the way downstairs, but Judah was a trooper to actually go downstairs and get it for me. Man, yeah. So. I don't even know what I'm getting. What are you ordering?
You said you wanted the beef thingy about.
Guys, I don't know if you guys have a problem with this, but like every time we're here, we out. Judah's always taking a million photos.
I haven't even started snapping it.
And what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the shit off night mode, but you're talking, so no worries.
Somebody's birthday, and she looks upset.
No.
Alright, so sushi is here. Sushi on deck.
Next night.
And this is what food should be. It should come out on the plate hot. You know what I'm saying? Oh, rice, blender settings and stuff. And yeah, what do you think, bro? I ate one sushi.
Then the one with the beef, what has meat, right?
Which one's better?
The Philly roll.
Judah sound. Which one's better?
The Philly roll.
Believe it? Oh. I like the tempura though, babes.
It's the Philly tempura roll.
Philly?
Philly
What's in
tempura
it?
roll.
As in Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah, but without the steak.
Oh. Yeah, the Philly one is better.
I guess because of the crisps on the outside. Like,
Yeah, and it's warmer.
yeah.
It's so beautiful. Oh, finally got it to focus. Guys, I can't miss out on this. Judah is here eating pork, you know? Pork, and Judah's like, this chicken steak is so good. I'm like, chicken? like how do you misinterpret pork and chicken? I don't get it.
I don't know, guys, just taste them good. I mean, enough because I just don't want a hot plate because it is so fancy. So, yeah.
God, deliver me. Ooh. Look at that, baby. It's wine, it's actually Moscato, served in a martini glass because I guess the glasses are dirty. I don't know. But still popping. Oh God, amazing. Judah would have said amaze balls. Don't ask me why. Oh boy. I'm almost done with my sushi. It's really good. Trust me, guys. Alright, so some of you sometimes always say to me that whenever I go to certain places I should put like the name or whatever. Like the Facebook or the Instagram. If I remember, I'll put it on this one. If I don't, remind me and I'll comment it. But here is Sora. It's a Japanese restaurant. It's off Phoenix Avenue. If you Google it, you can't miss it, guys. Trust me. But it's really good here. Alright, guys. So this has been pretty much where we're gonna be ending this vlog. It was really nice doing this vlog for y'all. Kind of, maybe. No. I'm joking. It was really nice doing this vlog for you guys. We're about to go home. Maybe chill for a little bit. I got some rum cake. It was pretty lit. And yeah, I'm just chilling mellow, waiting for tomorrow's vlog, to be quite honest. And yeah, remember these 3 things as always, guys: love, nature, adaptation. And if you love the videos, hit the like button, subscribe, keep the link.